Unwrapping Rolling Coverage, a guide to understanding continuous news. Hello and welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a phrase that often buzzes through the airwaves in the world of news and media. Rolling coverage. This term might sound complex, but fear not. We're here to break it down, helping you understand its meaning and usage in everyday conversations and broadcasts. So, let's roll right into it. Rolling coverage refers to the continuous broadcast of news on television, radio, or online platforms. It's a non-stop stream of updates, often focused on a single major event or breaking news story. Unlike regular news segments that have a fixed start and end time, rolling coverage keeps going, offering live updates, interviews, and analyses. It's like a news conveyor belt that doesn't stop, ensuring that the audience receives the most current information as events unfold. Rolling coverage is most common during significant events or emergencies. Think of situations like national elections, major sports events, natural disasters, or unexpected incidents. These are times when the appetite for fresh information is insatiable, and broadcasters switch to a rolling coverage format to satisfy this demand. It's their way of saying, "Stay tuned, we're keeping an eye on this, and we'll bring you every update as it happens." The impact of rolling coverage is profound. On the one hand, it ensures that the public stays informed during critical times. It's a relentless pulse of information, keeping the community aware and updated. On the other hand, it demands discernment from viewers and listeners. With information pouring in continuously, it's crucial to be mindful of information overload and the importance of cross-checking facts, especially during rapidly evolving situations. And that wraps up our exploration of rolling coverage. It's more than just a media term, it's a window into the dynamic world of news and information, reflecting our desire to stay informed and connected. We hope this video has shed light on the concept and its significance in the media landscape. Keep tuning in for more insights, and remember, staying informed is just as important as being informed. Until next time, keep learning and exploring.